You need to hear this if you're a business professional tired of inefficiency. Six Sigma is all about improving your processes and eliminating defects. It's not as complicated as it sounds. Here are the basics. First, define the problem you're trying to solve. Be specific. Next, measure your current process. Collect data. This is your starting point. Then, analyze that data to find root causes of inefficiencies. This is where you dig deep. Improve the process by implementing solutions. Test, tweak, and test again until you see real results. Lastly, control the new process to maintain those gains. Use control charts and regular reviews to keep everything on track. Remember, Six Sigma is a team effort. Collaboration is key, and the best part, you don't need to be a statistician to see real benefit. Well, so what are you waiting for? Start your Six Sigma journey today and watch your business thrive. Efficiency awaits.